Assalamu alaikum, Tashdemir, and happy Ramadan.
To you and all the Kyrgyz people.
We miss you and Kyrgyzstan very much. Remember, we met in Osh city, and you were very kind and showed a lot of hospitality to us. We wish you good luck on your English trading, and we hope we'll see you in London, maybe later this year. Have a great Ramadan. Bye-bye.
Bye. We're in New Zealand.
We're in New Zealand. You can see it here. We'll show you around. We're looking for gold in them hills. Bye-bye, Tashdemir.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Walaikum assalam, Shayla and Nick, how are you doing? Look, what a beautiful day today. It is sunny, a little bit foggy. Thank you so much for your congratulations on Ramadan, and Kyrgyz people and I, my family, really appreciate it. And you know, you are great, wonderful people. You are people of the world. And I'm glad for your being in New Zealand. Assalamu alaikum again to American people, to New Zealand people, for all people. Now, yes, as you remember, you asked me to organize the Kokboru match. Yes, I will do it next time. I will try my best to organize best tour for you. May Allah, may God wish you a long, happy life and many sweet kids. Yes, I might be there in London, inshallah. See you again next time.
To my roots in a little tin shack on the ranch, with my tata and the sweats up on my back, picking them my from the
now, baby, your cast you're still on me. I say, boogum, now, baby, your cast you're still on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your high-ho boots, cast you're still on me.
You had a bit of a good time.